brewery was used to store beer for sailors in the Navy. And let me tell you, you have to store a lot of it. Each and every day, each and every sailor got 10 liters of beer. Back then, the water wasn't safe enough to drink, so beer was even more necessary than it is now. Folk kom så bort til at opbevare øl til flodens vand, og man skal så opbevare en del. Hver eneste dag fik hver eneste sømand nemlig 10 liter øl. Dengang var der ikke så meget rigtig drikkevand, så selv barn. Sind die einzige Resten der ursprünglichen Christianshavn-Schloss von 1745. Die Reste verbrannte schon 49 Jahre später.
Yeah, the National Museum we saw yesterday.
The storm bridge in front of us is very, very narrow. Please keep your hands and arms inside the boat. Stoppbroen her er ganske smal. Hold hænder og arme ind på båden. Stormbryggen her er ganske enkelt. De handler nicht über der Bordwandstrecken.